Once I landed here, I got plenty of support and help from people around here, and I felt like home from day one.
Beginning my journey with Intu allowed me to develop my interests in an international environment. You learn and accomplish a lot of things that you don't even realize until you look back at your journey.
Pathway is one of the things that's really very beneficial for me because it's improved my English, lead me how to communicate with the professors and students in general. It's one of the keys of success for my journey and career.
The Intu staff have helped me solve a lot of queries and a lot of problems that I faced.
They give us the best feedbacks and they give us the best service.
All right, so we're just gonna have to hold that smile.
1, 2, 3.
I think a lot of students feel more connected than ever before.
They have amazing professors, they have amazing faculty.
If you have any question with homework, projects, exams, they will try to explain it step by step.
There are a lot of activities that help you build the connections.
Intu provided me with a very good first experience of university life. The tools you are given here allow you to make new discoveries.